Hey everyone, it's Mr. Gormley again. We're going to look at how we can put together our monkey bars for our playground. So if you look, I've colored, we have 3 different monkey bar sections. I've colored those, so you'll need to place those. You have 2 of each, and you have 21 monkey pole rungs. So I'm going to quickly switch over, and you see that I've started to already place some of these. Now this isn't difficult, it's just very repetitive. So the first thing I would do is, you'll see that everything moves. So I'm going to first take one of my monkey bars and I'm going to ground them. This should be the only part that you have to ground. Next, what I'm going to do is take one of the monkey poles and we're going to start to constrain. So the way I need to do this, I need to get my center line. So I click there and I go to the hole here and I need to get the center line there. So I click and you'll see, I'll click OK, you'll see that the pole is connected to the monkey bar, but it still slides back and forth. So what I need to do then is constrain it again over here. You saw I use my view cube. I constrain again. This time I want a flush. So remember, we have a mate, goes face to face, flush goes next to each other. So I'm going to go this side and this side. We apply, and now you see if I try to move the monkey pole, it's stuck. So I'm going to come around and do the same thing what we did here on that side to this one. So I'm going to constrain center line to center line, apply, and then change it to flush, face to face. Okay. Now it looks like we've got our 2 pieces together. Now a couple of hints, I don't know if you know this already, but to move the picture around, all I'm doing is pressing down on my scroll button so I can move this around. Remember, scrolling in and out, zooms in and out, press down, it moves it. So the problem though that we have is, if you look, this monkey bar still swivels around. I don't need to ground it though. All I need to do is bring in another monkey pole. So center line to center line, apply. I'm going to swivel this around, make it flush, face to face. Now, some of you might have not hit flush, and then you see you can still switch it around if you forgot to. So now we're clicked on face to face, we're going to click apply. And then last we're going to, well, sometimes it does that, so you might need to close it and then open it up. Center line to center line. And if you look, I'll click OK. I don't need to go face to face here because we're already stuck. So you see now with 2 in, it's put them together and they're stuck. So I'll do one more, and this starts to go pretty quick because now we are locked in. I only really need to constrain it to one side. Flush, face to face, apply. Because if you look, oh, lost it. If you look, now that one's stuck and we're good. Okay? The next part is that you're going to need to start putting these together. So I'm going to rotate this just a little bit, and we're going to constrain. We're going to go face to the bottom of this. So the end to the bottom, apply, and we're going to flush it. This end flushed with this end, apply, and this end flushed with this end, apply. And you look, now I do the same process. I go, we're going to move this real quick. Center line to center line, apply. Face to face, Oh, I forgot to flush, so I'm going to go flush. Okay. Click on my home. And then center line to center line. Apply. Flush. Face to face. Apply. And you'll see again we still have something that swivels, but I don't need to constrain it here because I will just put another pole in. Center line, apply, flush, face to face. Move that so I can see that hole. Center line to center line, apply. Okay. And you'll see now it's stuck. You'll just repeat that process as you go along. You'll add the other side too, and you'll have your completed monkey bar. Good luck, guys.